So I'm just about to publish that last video, and I thought I might as well film exactly what I'm doing to publish a post on the Feather site. So you can see here, I just recorded that video, which is number 5. BIP I've just been using as build in public. So let's say I wanted this one to be lesson number 5. What I've been doing is duplicating that. So keyboard Command D duplicates it, or you can just add a new one. The reason I'm duplicating it is it's got all the existing stuff in it. So if I open the page here like so, and then I'll open it again, let's call this one, this is lesson number 5. Let me just move this into the middle. Here's that previous stuff below, so all I'm going to do here is just highlight both of those, delete that, go back to here, copy the link from this Loom video. I don't usually use Loom. I'm usually using use ScreenFlow to record everything and then put it on YouTube. So Loom's quite new for doing this kind of thing, but it works really well with Notion because I can just do this. What you're about to see is paste it in like that, and then choose Embed Loom, which it does, and then that embeds it in. So this video you're watching now is going to be another lesson just on how I published a blog post into Feather using Notion. Let's just put a one above that. Now it's down here. Okay, that lesson was all about blogs, slugs, I think it was, and I'll just put slugs and more. Let's just move that up the top like so. And I was going to change the time. Showing the time is that, so we might as well change the time. The reason I was doing the time was to test how the layout of order works on Feather. I haven't figured that one out. I can ask Bandu. I need to check I'm pronouncing your name right. If you watch these videos, I keep saying that. Anyway, so that's lesson 5 done, published. What will happen now, if I go back to here, let's go to the blog. I think it was published because it was, yeah, so it's, I need to double check this order that it's how it's working. So I probably want my publish date to be the most recent. So maybe I don't know if I have to sort this. I'm going to find out if I need to sort this database to get them to show in that order. Let's just clear this cache. I'm also still having issues with the www. I need to just go and check out the remapping. The mapping that I added inside of my domain here, cname www to go to point to top ecom is not working. That's normally how I would do it, because this one below is the @ and it doesn't let me put in @ so I just need to figure that out. And once I do, I will make a video. So let's go back to the blog. There's lesson number 5. You can see it seems like it's going in the reverse order. I want it to be recent posts at the top, so I'm going to jump onto chat and ask him that one. So anyway, that's how you publish a video into your Notion site and just push it onto the blog. It's not a featured post. That's it. That's how you publish it. So I'm now going to turn this video you're watching now into another blog post.